Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sweeney Talks. So today we are going to learn about export and import and also various laws or acts which government had enacted for the purpose of export and import. So let's just begin with the definitions first. What is export? Export means purchase of goods and services produced in one country by the residents of another country by means of sea, air, and land. For example, we are selling goods out of India. So जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, ये एक हमारा इंडिया का मैप है और दूसरा वर्ल्ड मैप है। तो अगर इंडिया से कोई भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज हम बाहर प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो उसे एक्सपोर्ट्स कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट, what is import? Import means bringing goods and services produced in one country to our home country by means of sea, air, and land. For example, we are purchasing goods in our home country from outside. So यहाँ import के केस में वर्ल्ड से कोई भी गुड्स या सर्विसेज इंडिया में अगर हम मंगाते हैं या इंडिया में आता है तो उसे हम इम्पोर्ट कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट, so now we will learn about all the acts and laws enacted by government for smooth functioning of import and export in India. So our first act is Foreign Trade Act 1992, second Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, third Indian Customs and Excise Act 1962. Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act 1992. In India, the imports and exports are regulated by Foreign Trade Act 1992, which is administered by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade (DGFT), which acts as the agency of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Government of India. So here first we will learn about what is foreign trade. Foreign trade refers to the exchange of goods and services between two or more countries. The main function of this act is to regulate all the activities related to exports and imports which is administered or controlled by DGFT. Next, Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) 1992. The act was enacted by Parliament of India in December 1999 and came into existence on 1st of June 2000. And the main objective of FEMA is to facilitate external trade and payments and maintenance of foreign market or management of foreign currency in India. This act helps to manage the inflow of foreign currency in India, which generates through exports between two different nations and also maintains the relations of foreign markets. Next, Customs and Excise Act 1962. सो हियर फर्स्ट हम जान लेंगे कि कस्टम ड्यूटी एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है। सो अगर हम इंडिया में कोई भी सामान मंगाते हैं मतलब इंपोर्ट करते हैं या फिर कोई भी सामान इंडिया के बाहर सेल करते हैं मतलब एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं तो उसके ऊपर एक टैक्स लगता है जो कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चार्ज करते हैं, उसे कहा जाता है कस्टम ड्यूटी। सो कस्टम ड्यूटी इज एन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स चार्ज्ड ऑन import and export of goods. The act is administered by Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. So by this today we end our session here. So friends, hope you all like my video. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.